If you want to deploy this strategy, here's how you have to set up the retargeting list. In the website traffic section, select the option people who visit specific web pages. You want to reach out to the ones who read the blog article, who watch the video, who consume a particular piece of content on your blog or your website. And then just go ahead, grab the full URL of that content and paste it here. Select the option URL equals, just really paste the full URL. You will reach out to the visitors of that specific web page. Set the list size to 3 days, and last but not least, select a descriptive audience name. So that's how to create a retargeting list to deploy this strategy. Again, I can just highly encourage you to test it. It's a really fantastic way to generate a higher lead quality, to have better open rates. If you send email broadcasts, the conversion rate will be higher. So at the end of the day, you will just grow your list faster and you will generate more revenue. So if you have some content in place that's really high quality, geared towards a very specific problem of your audience, make sure to send traffic there first and then re-engage with these visitors and send them to a squeeze page. And you will see you will get better results. So take action now and give it a shot.